Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming my weight loss journey video. You guys have been asking me how I lost all this weight. And I thought I finally need to film this video and tell you guys what I did. Like, it's not a crazy secret, it's not a diet pill, it's hard work and motivation and determination to change your life. I did my research. I found ways of eating better, of exercising, so I'm gonna just tell you what I did. So for me, I have been overweight since I can remember. When I was in high school, I weighed roughly 130 pounds. I felt like I was skinny, whatever. And then after I got married, I gradually just started gaining weight, like 5 pounds here, 10 pounds here. The next thing you know, I weigh 175 pounds. So for me, losing weight was hard up until recently. Like, I tried working out, I tried doing insanity, I tried taking like pills that are supposed to help like break down the fat and all that, and none of that really worked for me. Insanity was too hard. I couldn't stay motivated doing it. I didn't like the way I looked. Like, I always thought I was fat. I couldn't wear the kind of clothes I wanted to wear. Like, I had to wear baggy t-shirts. I didn't feel comfortable like showing my body in tight clothes. I just didn't like the way that I looked, and I didn't feel secure. I felt real uncomfortable wearing those type of clothes. So I wore big baggy clothes. I never like dressed up really. So I've always like wanted to lose weight. I've tried to lose weight, but it never worked. I love to eat, and I remember just sitting in my bed one day and being like, oh, this is just what I'm gonna look like from now on. Like, losing weight's not going to be something that is ever going to work out for me. I struggle really bad with stomach problems, IBS, and bloating really bad. So this is the first thing. I started taking probiotic pills to help with my stomach issues, and I really noticed that it helped with my bloating problem. So I've been taking probiotic pills now for like 6 months or something, and it's really helped with my bloating and my irregularity with going number 2 or whatever. Take the brand Acuflora, which really worked for me. So I know everybody's gut is different. There's a whole bunch of probiotic pills to choose from, but if you struggle with that, IBS and irregularity, I think that could really help you. It's natural, it's safe, it's just good bacteria in your gut helping you do what you're supposed to do. Next thing, this is the thing that motivated me to lose the weight, and I feel like that's what you need. You need something for real that kind of scares you into losing weight. Okay, so I had a physical. I hadn't been to the doctor in literal years. Like, I hate going to the doctor. I'm a very anxious person, and health things are things that just trigger my anxiety. So I went to the doctor for my physical, whatever. My blood pressure was super high, and I thought that was just because like I'm more of an anxious person. Like, my blood pressure was like 140 over 90 something, like it was really high. The doctor wanted to put me on high blood pressure medication. I just didn't feel comfortable doing that. Like, I hate taking pills. Like, I hate taking pills that affect your heart like that. Like, oh, it just wigs me out. Like, so anyway, the doctor told me if you lose 10 pounds, it'll be beneficial for you. And she also took my blood, and she did like the blood test or whatever for my physical to see if like all my levels were good. So I came back, and it turns out that my cholesterol was really high for someone my age, 29. My blood pressure, I don't remember what she told me, but it was really high. And so that on top of the blood pressure thing, like, scared me. Like I'm 29 years old. I don't want to, like, have a heart attack. Like, I seriously thought, oh my God, I'm going to have a heart attack. My blood pressure is too high. My heart rate's too high. I can't exercise because my heart rate gets too high. It wasn't good. I remember researching what causes high blood pressure, and it's a lot of sodium. So after she told me that my blood pressure is truly high, getting a second reading from when I got my results about my cholesterol, I was like, okay, this is it. I don't want to have a heart attack. I'm petrified. I went through my cupboards and got rid of basically everything that had over like 200 milligrams of sodium. Like, I cleared it out. Sodium was the first thing that I did. And then with that came like all the junk food that I was eating. So I stopped eating that. So in turn, I was eating less calories anyway because I didn't want my sodium intake to be high. So that is kind of how I got into like calorie counting. So I got the app on my phone. Like, I have a Samsung, so I just used the Samsung Health app, and I just started tracking what I ate in there. Like, you can add the nutrition facts to the app, and it like calculates all the milligrams and whatever. Like, I was petrified. Chips, those ramen. Don't eat freaking ramen if you have high blood pressure. Like, don't. Anything in a can, basically. Got rid of all of that. Did that for, I don't know, probably 2 months. I was on a very strict low sodium diet. I cut out all sodium, cut out all fast food. I don't drink my calories anymore. I drink water. Like, that's a sneaky way that calories hide in there. Basically didn't eat any type of packaged food. Like, I would buy chicken breast, I would cook it for the week. I would eat a lot of black beans, no salt added black beans. I would eat tomatoes. I wouldn't add salt to any of my food. I wouldn't add extra salt. Like, and it didn't bother me at the time because I'm like, this is what I need to do to get my body right. Like, I don't care that it doesn't taste the best because, like, at the time I was like, I'm fueling my body. Like, yes, I love food, but at the time, like, I wasn't looking at food as comfort. I was looking at what's going to fuel my body to make it better. And so cutting out all the sodium, cutting out the excess calories that I didn't need, eating more fruits. I'm still really bad at vegetables, but I eat way more fruits now. I have a smoothie for breakfast. If y'all want like a what I eat in a day, because I basically eat the same thing every day because it's so easy to keep my calories the same every day to keep continuing to lose weight. So the first couple months is when I lost like drastic amounts, like 20 pounds, 25 pounds. And then it started to slow down once I got to about 150. It slowed down a little bit more. On top of eating way better, I started working out 5 days a week. I just did videos off YouTube. Like, I would just search total body workout, or like I would do about 20 minutes, so I'd search like a 20-minute workout. And the workouts that I really liked are by a girl named Pamela. I can link her channel down below, and I'll link my favorite videos from her. I just did them every day, and like, I could barely do them. Like, my stamina and my heart, like, I just felt like I couldn't do very much. But I woke up one day and I was like, this is so much easier than it was last week. Like, I can actually do this. Like, I can follow her. Like, I feel myself getting stronger, and it motivates you to keep going. Like, and then as I'm starting to lose weight in those first couple months, like 20 pounds, 25 pounds, then people have started being like, have you lost weight? What are you doing? Like, you look great. Oh my gosh, the feeling that all that hard work paid off. Like, not only do I feel stronger and I feel better about myself, but people are noticing that I look different and they want to know what I'm doing. Like, the fact that I'm filming this video for you guys because you guys want to know what I did to lose weight just makes me feel so, it's like I've done something right in my life and people are looking to me for advice. Like, I've never had that before. Like, I've never like done something good for myself. Like, this is I feel like it's the first good thing I've done for myself. What I did to lose weight in a nutshell: I cut out a lot of excess sodium, cut out a lot of unnecessary calories that weren't doing anything good for my body, and I started working out 5 days a week for about 20 minutes. You just have to look at nutrition labels, and I never did that before. Like, I was looking at the price of the item versus, like, is it actually good for you? Like, and I was eating such bad stuff. Like, it's terrible. Like, and the way that it gets you is you have to look at serving sizes as well. Like, yeah, it says it's only 50 calories per serving, but you may be eating 4, 5, 6 servings at once if you eat the whole bag. That's where it gets you, and you don't even know that you're eating that many calories, and you're like, why am I not losing weight? This only has 50 calories. But you have to be really diligent about portion sizes. Like, I bought some measuring cups. I still use my measuring cups every day. I bought a digital scale to help weigh out like pasta, chips, because I still eat chips. I do, but I eat chips with like more natural ingredients. I only eat the serving size so I can track my calories better. If I can do this, you can do this. You just have to have a reason to do it. And I know that you'll find one when you need to. Like, it'll come into your life. Like, something will happen to you in your life that will make you want to change. Like, for real. Like, you've probably tried and it hasn't worked out. You just have to find the right reason. If it's for yourself, if it's for your kids, if it's for your husband, if it's for whoever. I don't want to scare you into thinking that you're going to have a heart attack or whatever, but it's like a real thing, especially if you're a woman. Women have higher rate of health disease, of heart attacks, of all that kind of stuff. I want y'all to be healthy. I want you to feel as good as I feel now that I've changed my life for the better. I feel my husband is so proud of me. Like, when people will ask him, like, your wife, she's lost so much weight, like, what has she done? He'll just be like, she's worked really hard. And to have him tell people that I've worked really hard just makes me feel so good about myself. So today, at this moment, I weigh about 138 pounds. I am at 23.2 body fat, which, according to my Samsung app, is in the fitness level. I don't know how true those are, but when I started my diet, I weighed 175 pounds. I didn't have a digital scale at the time, so I know it's just about 175. I bought a digital scale that that calculates your body fat. I was at 138 this morning, and I'm not as strict about my diet anymore. Like, once I got under 140, like, I've been fine where I'm at. Now I love the way I look. Like, I could still lose a few pounds in my stomach. I'm still working out, but I'm only working out about 3 days a week for about 15 minutes. I'm just trying to define muscle. I don't really care about losing much weight anymore. Like, it feels so good to be at a place where you feel confident in yourself. And I never thought that I would be here. Like, I was so scared at the time, but I'm so glad that I had that wake-up call to motivate me and to push me to where I needed to be to get healthy so I can make the most of this life that I have. Like, I wish that I could tell you something that's easier, like it's just a pill, it's just, you have to do this, but you have to work at it, and it's hard. Like, you're gonna feel hungry, and you're gonna be down some days, but you can get there, because I did. And if I can, like, I'm nobody. I'm just a person. Like, I can do it, you can do it. Just watch what you eat. Like, make healthier decisions when it comes to what you put in your body. You're gonna feel better. You're gonna start to lose weight. I feel like it's all about what you eat. Like, you don't have to work out as hard. You don't even have to work out 5 days a week. I feel like if you just change the way you eat, you watch how many calories you're putting into your body, like, you're gonna see a difference. Like, you just have to burn more calories than you're eating. The best feelings are when people notice your hard work, and that's what helps you keep going, is knowing that all this hard work is paying off. When people start to notice, you start to feel better about how you feel, just not even just physically, but mentally. You'll start to feel better. Like, you'll have more confidence in yourself, and you will be able to push yourself harder when you work out. Notice yourself getting stronger. Like, I love those feelings. Like, I can do 10 push-ups now. When I first started, I couldn't do 1 push-up. Like, it's a process, and it takes a little bit. Like, I started my diet in February 2019. It's now June 9th when I'm filming this video. So, in a matter of 4 months, I've lost 35 pounds-ish. So, I mean, you can do it. You can do it. You have to be motivated. That's it. You have to find a reason to wake up every day and be like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna start today, wake up the next day. Yesterday wasn't so bad. I'm gonna do it again today. Next day, this isn't so bad at all. Like, I'm gonna keep doing this. The next day, this is getting too hard. But I've done it. I did it the day before. I can do it again. Like, you're stronger than you think. You just have to push yourself, and you'll get over those hurdles that you thought were holding you back. Like, you will. Because I went through that. I went through it all. Like, I gave every excuse in the book on why I didn't think I could lose weight. But I did it, and I'm so happy that I did. Like, I hope that you got something from this video. I really hope it motivated you, like, to start or continue your weight loss journey. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I know I'm like the most scatterbrained person. I hope I got all the information out there that I was trying to give you, but I feel like I've just been here and then here and then here, and I hope I didn't miss anything. I hope I was clear. Ugh. I'm gonna put in some, like, before and after type pictures. I know y'all have watched my videos, so you see what I used to look like, but I'll try to find some before and after pictures and then pictures throughout my journey. I know I have a few. Like I said, if you want like a what I eat in a day type video, let me know. I'll show you what I eat and how I count my calories and all that. If you want a more in-depth version of that, just let me know. I could do that. I'll be happy to do that. And anyway, really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's not like a crazy secret. Like, I wish that it was easier. Like, I feel like y'all are bummed because it's just as easy as counting your calories, but it's hard at the same time because you have to be motivated to do the work. So, but anyways, that's what I did. I hope you got something from this video. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.